the the movement to make the Philippines a province of Spain. Okay. Okay. So with regards to our current government system, all right. So the government right now is in place because of the Americans and the Europeans. Okay. So we're not really sovereign. The truth is we are under foreign influence operations. Okay. So unless you understand that reality, you will never grasp why the Philippines is always in a chaotic, no progress disposition. Okay? Alright, Spirit told me that there are certain things that we need to address in order for this country to improve. Okay? So, alright, you have to understand from the previous discussions that I have with regards to who really owns this planet, the thing that we can do as the people who live in these islands is to make things better for ourselves. It's already bad enough that we are under a massive hierarchy rule within the system. Now, we cannot avoid the system because the system is part of this reality. But we can improve the system. Okay? So like in in my computer science perspective, you can just patch the system. So if there's any vulnerability, try to patch it. Okay. So if you try to fight the system, it's a losing battle. And that's the reason why the divine encourages changes, slow changes from within. Okay, slow changes from within. All right. So one thing that they highlighted was, okay, listen, okay, this is not my opinion. This is coming straight from the divine. Okay, this is divine guidance. So one thing they highlighted was voting is no longer benefiting the Filipino people. Okay? And the current constitution is no longer working towards the benefit of the Filipino people. Okay, that didn't come from me. It's not a political disposition of mine. It was divine guidance. Now we have to figure out a way to replace this part of our program. Okay? On how we're going to do it, okay, it's up to us. But the divine clearly stated it's no longer serving us. It's an outdated program. Okay? This program was transferred to us by our American colonizers. Okay? Now, like I said, it is about consent. So if we all consent to change the system for our part of the world, then it is possible. Okay? Okay, another thing, the form of government that we have is outdated and has outlived its effectiveness. Okay, so evidently, what they're trying to say is how we are approaching our system, our current system, is an outdated system. So again, I will go back to what I've been saying. That part of us existing in this reality is for us to be system creators. Okay? Now, we as a people, if we start comparing ourselves to other countries, we are trying to compare apples to oranges. We have to adapt a system that is uniquely ours. Okay, Bensaiten is asking for attention. Okay. All right. All right. So it's the government is not effective not just because of corruption, it is because that the system itself needs to be updated uniquely to the needs of the people living in these islands. Okay? Because we can copy other systems, however, it doesn't guarantee that it will benefit the people. Okay. All right. All right. So I asked the divine what would be the alternative. The best alternative is choosing leaders from the best of each area of expertise. It makes sense. When they said that voting is no longer benefiting the people, and then they express this one, it really makes sense. Why? Because we are voting for popularity rather than expertise. And that's the reason why we have a Senate who are comprised of actors and actresses who are just as performing on a stage but not really effectively leading the country. So they get rich and then we just cry they're corrupt. But who voted them in the first place? Okay? So in terms of lower ranking officials, okay, the owners of the earth don't really have much control on that. They just leave it alone because it's some system that we create in a micro level. But whoever sits on top, who has the final decision, they make sure that that person is following the program, the playbook of the owners of the earth. Whether they control that person through international pressure or they control that person on the top by putting them in place specifically. Okay? So another factor is the bloodlines. So that a president, a president on top, a prime minister or a king, queen will have a certain bloodline that they came from. That's why they are positioned there orchestratedly. Okay? So you have to understand that reality. Okay. All right? So for the next generation, this is your task. Okay? Because like I keep telling my daughter, my generation is only gonna last for another 10, 20 years before we won't be able to be effective anymore. Because by that time, majority of the workforce and the people who will be in the position of power will be